some work on some commissions, I thought I'd show you what I'm up to. Have a look at this little oil painting I'm working on. So this is a commission for a client who would like a landscape. We've worked out the composition, a landscape in the style of the old masters. So of course now I'm painting using the techniques of the old masters. So I'm doing my tonal underpainting, which is something that we learn in our Learn to Paint Oil classes with our complete beginners. I show how to do this tonal underpainting and then working on getting the colour over the top of it. So I've just about finished the layout of this underpainting. I think I like the tones and the composition of it, so I've got the shapes right and the tones are pretty much there. The only thing I'm going to play around with is the distant hillside. And sometimes when you're working with oil, what you can do is use a rag rather than a brush. So I've used a brush a lot of the way through here, but I'm just going to lighten off the top of the hills by using a rag to just soften some of that dark out of there. And you can almost paint with your finger wrapped around a rag, which is kind of fun. You can pull tones out, push tones back in, and it's kind of like finger painting, but I tell you, it's really, you should have a go at it sometime because it's really fun. It's kind of very freeing to be able to do that. So there's where we're at the moment. I think I'm going to rest it there and let it dry for this stage and then start popping some colour on. Just wait a second, just soften that little tone in there. That's a bit better on the creek there. So hope you've enjoyed that. A quick little look at the artists that work today. Thanks for watching.